Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're working on a Mazda Tribute and we'll show you how to remove and replace the front bumper cover. As you can see, this one was hit on the right passenger side. So stay with us, we'll show you how we're going to do that. Also, don't forget to check out, guys, our main channel, which is growing crazy fast. We have that Scion build there, and we have a Fiesta ST as well. So let's go back to the Mazda now. So first we need to get a Phillips screwdriver, and right there we need to remove one. Okay, you can see that clip. You just unscrew the middle part and pull it out. One is missing in the center and one on top. So altogether you need to remove 3 clips here. Okay, those clips hold the fender underliner towards the bumper together. And now underneath with the 10mm you need to remove one bolt as well. Okay, right there. And now one more. Okay, now right there we have another clip inside. It's hard to show you there, but it's the same kind like the one we already removed, and that should hold the bumper towards the fender. Okay, so all we need to do is just remove this one now. Okay, got it out, and that was the centerpiece, and now we're getting the outer piece out. It's pretty inconvenient there. Okay, well, we actually dropped it, but it's there, the same kind of clip. Alright guys, then you need to go on the other side and do the same procedure. Ours is hit there, so we won't be able to show you, but you still need to remove the same 3 clips here. Okay, 1, 2, 3 there, the one on top and the 2 bolts on the bottom. And after that we're on the bottom and we need to remove a few more with the same 10mm that we have there. Okay, almost there. After that you need to go there with 10mm and remove that bolt. Okay, one there and one here. Our here is broken, as you can see, because of the impact, so it's cracked pretty much. Alright guys, now right there we have 2 more that we need to remove with a 10mm wrench. You can see that's on the bottom side of the bumper, and one is actually missing. One is here. Okay, let me show you. One is here and one is supposed to be right there, missing. Okay, and that's it. Bumper coming out now. You can see all we have to do is disconnect the fog lights and you're ready to go. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.